Hey there, welcome to Share Trick. This is Raj here, friends. I wanted to make this quick, short video on gold because the action seems pretty good. And this time, I think we got the technical analysis right. So I'd like to give you my opinion on where I think gold prices are going. As you know, I had put some money on ZGLD and it's quite profitable right now. So the next order of business is to find out when to exit gold. So that's what I'm trying to determine today. And join me on the ride, and please let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Let's get started. Well guys, here we are in the TradingView platform looking at the price chart for gold. Each of the candle is a one-day candle out here. And if you recollect, we had drawn a channel, parallel channel, within which gold price has been moving since somewhere around 30th of October 2021. And we have momentarily touched the edge of those channels and we are now going back up again. So what I had earlier was the outline of a bullish pennant, and this is the flagpole for this pennant. And if we were to look at what has happened out here, we can see that the probability of a bullish pennant is that the price would break out on the upside rather than the downside. And that's exactly what has happened. And as soon as it broke out, I had said that we have to make sure that the next day it closes above this line of support, which is this green line that you see, the upper end of the pennant, upper limit of the pennant. And it did that yesterday. And today it has opened up. So that means the support out here at the head of the pennant has been confirmed. So what happens next? Well, I'm going to take length of the flagpole. I'm going to put it where we had the exit, and I'll put it down here. And I can project that we could go all the way up to 3,890 for gold. And it could potentially face a resistance at around 3,727.61. Because that's the edge of this diagonal line of resistance. If we break above that and confirm above that, then I think the larger target is 3,894.84. There are a few things that I want to point out as well. Now, if you look at currencies and you see the DXY, let us go to the DXY. Where is the DXY here? Okay, here is the DXY. You can see that the dollar index is still up. It was up yesterday and still gold went up. It is up again today, and still gold is going up. Now, why is that happening? Because typically when DXY goes up, gold is denominated in dollars. Therefore, the price of gold goes down because you can get more gold for less dollars now that the DXY has gone up. I think the reason why we are finding that gold is also going up while DXY is going up is because many central banks are moving from US treasuries into gold. And that, I think, is the dynamic which is playing out here. There's more gold in the central bank treasuries or reserves. And that's what I'm thinking is happening out here. Friends, so please let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think gold could reach and cross 3,729? Or do you think that gold is going to reach 3,905.473? Is it going to bounce back down from 3,731? Please let me know in the comment section. Look forward to your comments. Bye for now.